Hey guys, welcome, and in today's video we're going to pair the Zeblaze Lily 2 watch. For those of you who are looking to pair the watch and finding difficulty, these are the step by step guide. So first of all, you go to the Google Play Store and search for the Fit Cloud Pro. That's their application, and once that's installed, just open it up. You register, make an account. So once it's ready, you can just go to the devices option that's here. Once you click on the device and the watch is on like this, showing the QR code, basically the Bluetooth is on, and straight away you have permission to search nearby devices. Press OK, and automatically it will show you the Lily 2 watch. So you press the connect button and it shows you to agree the binding request. Press yes, and the binding is a success. And yeah, you can just click give all access and pair. So in that way, if anybody calls, all the names and everything can be seen when someone is calling you. Looks beautiful, by the way. So if you guys found this video helpful for the pairing, leave a like. And by the way, if you guys want to also know how to install this in the Apple phone, we'll do a separate video on that. Just let me know in the comments below and I will upload a video also regarding that. Yeah, so unboxing video also is there. You can search in my channel and to know about more about this watch, right? So catch you guys in the next video. See you.